So what are the symptoms of a clogged or malfunctioning carburetor? First thing is starting problem, very less pickup, very low mileage, the bike cannot reach its top speed. So in today's video, I will teach you guys how to clean a bike's carburetor without even opening it. So for this, you will have to take the help of few chemicals. So I have two chemicals with me. One is a carburetor and injector cleaner, it's made by Wurth, and the other is a Liqui Moly Fort additive shooter. Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva Mundodi and welcome to my channel Mundodi Vlogs. So friends, in today's video, I will teach you guys how to clean a Royal Enfield's carburetor properly. Let it be a cast iron engine or a UC engine. The procedure is the same. So just like any other part, carburetor also requires some maintenance. So what causes the malfunctioning of carburetor? So usually this is because of the rust particles, dust particles and water droplets which will enter the carburetor from the fuel tank. Okay. So in case of an old bike, the tank might be having rusting issues, or in case of a new bike, in that also I am not saying rusting issue won't be there, but generally water is the main culprit because on new Royal Enfield bikes, the water drain hole mechanism is not up to the mark. Sometimes it will get clogged and all the water will enter the fuel tank directly, and this water, dust and rust particles, it will enter the carburetor. It will usually clog the pilot jet and the main jet. So what are the symptoms of a clogged or malfunctioning carburetor? First thing is starting problem, very less pickup, very low mileage, the bike cannot reach its top speed, hiccups during riding, missing problem, petrol overflowing problem due to jammed slides, etc. So normally what people do is when they face carburetor issue, they will take the bike to a mechanic and there the mechanic will open the carburetor and he will clean the carburetor. But the problem lies here. The mechanism inside the carburetor is very delicate. Once if you fiddle inside the carburetor and any wrong move will permanently damage the delicate adjustment of the carburetor and it will not retain its original form again. So this will lead into performance issue and you cannot expect that original mileage from a spoiled carburetor. So in today's video, I will teach you guys how to clean a bike's carburetor without even opening it. So for this, you will have to take the help of few chemicals. So I have two chemicals with me. One is a carburetor and injector cleaner, it's made by Wurth, and the other is a Liqui Moly Fort additive shooter. So this is an instant carburetor cleaner and this is a little bit of time consuming process. I'll teach you both the methods. So now I'll show you guys how we can clean our bike carburetor using Wurth carburetor and injector cleaner. So what we have to do is we have to find the air inlet hose. In case of a new bike, you may have to remove the air filter, but in this old bike we can directly bypass the air filter through this rubber hose over here. So before that, we'll have to start the bike. So now I am directly bypassing the air filter and I will insert this pipe inside the rubber hose which will enter into the air intake of the carburetor. Okay. Now we'll have to spray this for about 10 to 15 seconds. The bike may stop, do not worry. Give little bit of throttle. Start spraying. Okay. So now let us allow this spray to settle there for about 1 to 2 minutes. So in that time, I'll just read out the specifications of this Wurth carburetor and injector cleaner. It's a made in Germany product. So the features of this product is it removes gum and varnish from the venturi, loosens and removes deposits from the injector and carburetor. It will not harm the catalytic converter. It can be also used on automatic chokes as well. So this is a common product for both vehicles with injector and carburetors. So this can be used on cars as well. So in case if you want to clean the outer body of the carburetor, for that also we can use it. Just we have to spray this on the outer body of the carburetor and then rub it with a clean cloth. So now I have allowed the spray to settle in the carburetor for a few minutes. Now let us start the bike. The bike may not start in first kick. Let us try. have to try a few times. And just raise the throttle. See, again, you may have to try for a few times. We'll have to repeat this process once again. So this is the second time I am spraying. That's it. You have to wait for a few minutes and then you are ready to go. The carburetor will be as good as a carburetor which is cleaned by opening it. So in case of a UCE bike, it's hard for us to bypass the air intake valve over here. Instead, we'll have to remove the air filter and then spray the carburetor spray over here in this hole. That's it. All other process is the same. So just for your information, this is my new performance air filter. I purchased it from Shawl. It's a made in India product. It has got a patent on it. So I'll be doing a detailed review video of it. So please stay tuned to my channel. I'll be doing it very soon. So the next chemical is from Liqui Moly. It's a 40 additive shooter. It's a fuel system cleaner. This is also a made in Germany product. What this product does is, it not only cleans the carburetor, but it also cleans the fuel line, the injectors and the valves. But it is not an instantaneous result giving product. It takes some time. What you have to do is, you have to fill the tank to its brim and then pour this to the fuel tank. It's a 80 ml product. After that, you'll have to use the bike for about 100 to 200 kilometers. Gradually, it will start cleaning the fuel lines, the injectors, the valves, the carburetor, everything. It takes little bit of time, but it will also give very good results, but not as fast as a Wurth Carburetor and injector cleaner spray. So here the point is, Wurth Carburetor and injector cleaner, it's an instantaneous product. It can only be used to clean the carburetor instantly. Whereas Liqui Moly 40 additive shooter, it's a complete fuel system cleaner. It takes little bit of time. You may have to use the bike for about 100 to 200 kilometers, but it will clean the entire fuel system, right from the tank to the carburetor to the fuel lines up to the valves. Okay, so every product has its own advantages and disadvantages, but it's far better than cleaning the carburetor by opening it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have found my video to be informative and interesting. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to Mundodi Vlogs, please subscribe to Mundodi Vlogs for more such informative and interesting videos in the future. Thank you, friends.